Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today's video is going to be a Sunday vlog in my life because Sunday is mostly about things that I need to do so that the next week isn't that hectic. So I do stuff like laundry, groceries. So today, right now, I woke up kind of late, so I'm going to rush and go for the laundry part of the day, get it over with, and then we're going to go get some groceries. Okay, so now nobody is here, so I need to explain something. I have been going to literally 3 different shops just to get the coins. So that was a struggle because the machine right here didn't have any coins. It usually never happens. And the deputies were also complaining that the people from the laundry have been coming since morning. So that's that. And I have put the clothes now in the dryer. First were in the washer, now they are in the dryer, so we'll have to wait 25 minutes more and then we're done. I don't know, nobody was interested, but if someone was, this is how the dryer looks like, and this is my dryer. That's my bed sheet rolling around. So yeah. Costco had a very concerningly big line to enter inside, but it moved really fast. We were so worried, we were almost about to go back, but then we stood there and it just moved in like literally 5 minutes. Was worth it, but really expensive trip this time. I never realized it, but Costco does have a really good collection of like clothes and shoes. Maybe not a really good one, but a good one if you want to use it on a daily basis, like that hoodie and this slipper. I really like them as basics. So I went to Pizza Hut for the first time in Canada. I wasn't the biggest fan of it even in India as well. I was a fan of Domino's back there, but Domino's isn't really good here in Canada. And even Pizza Hut I have never tried, so I've tried today. I tried vegetarian pasta and some cheese sticks. They were good and filling, and I ended up having to waste half of this. I probably will eat it in the morning, but yeah, they were good. So when we were in Costco, we ended up finding this drone. It doesn't have a camera, but it was really fun to play with. So we ended up getting it. It was just $25 for the amount that it is. It's really good quality. And we ended up having so much fun with it. We even went outside that you'll see the clips of and tried to fly it. It hit itself a couple of times. I don't know if it's going to work tomorrow, but it was really fun to play with while it lasted. And I'm also thinking to get one more for my brothers. I'm pretty sure they'll enjoy it. ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੇ ਲਿਖਿਆ ਹੋਇਆ ਕਿ ਹਵਾ ਕੈਨੇਡੀਅਨ ਵੈਦਰ ਤੋਂ ਨਹੀਂ ਚੱਲਦਾ ਗਿਆ ਵਾਪਸ ਲਓ ਇਹਨੂੰ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਪੇੜ ਤੇ ਕਿ ਮਾਰਦੇ ਪਏ ਹੋ ਉਹ ਮੇਰਾ ਆ ਗਿਆ ਮੇਰਾ ਵੀ ਆ ਗਿਆ So our newest obsession after boba tea is these Starbucks cake pops. You should definitely try them. They are awesome. I got this book today and it's so beautiful. I'll show you some of the pages. It's just curated well, and it's a mindful book. Like, it's supposed to give you activities to do, things to read, and just pages to fill. So I really liked that, and it's so beautiful. The main reason I bought it, and it's just something I wanted to invest in, and it's just a $20 book. So that was great. It also has 2 small journals that you can write stuff in. So I'm going to start reading it from today, and I'm going to tell you about small little snippets of this book in my next few vlogs. Okay, so it's the end of the day and I would like to end the vlog right here. I hope you guys liked this vlog, and I hope you guys are liking me putting on more vlogs than other videos. But I have a lot of ideas right now, and I have moved in a new place which has a lot more lights. So I'm pretty much am going to do more video ideas. I mean videos that has like a thing, like thought process behind it, rather than just being a vlog. So I hope you guys are excited for that as well. I'll see you next time. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and comment down below whatever you want to see next.